I'm Steve Barlow, Mechanical Engineering Department Chair at the University of Idaho. One of our points of pride and one of the most rewarding parts of my job is visiting with prospective students, learning about your college and career dreams, and introducing you to our distinctive learning environment. We're disappointed in these uncertain times that we can't host you here on campus, hence this brief virtual tour.
Our program has a purposeful series of courses dedicated to teaching students hands-on engineering skills at all levels. We have several team projects in our first year Introduction to Mechanical Engineering course. Students make creative designs that use gravity or other forms of energy to participate in fun team competitions. In our mid-program design course, student teams are introduced to mechatronics to create amazing designs throughout a half-semester project. In this class, students also learn computer programming concepts and work with faculty to develop their prototyping skills. Later in the program, you'll have the opportunity to use teaching and research labs, such as our machine shop, engine test facility, and interdisciplinary design suite. We are continually reinvesting in the newest computers, software, and tools to give students a great experience.
We're the only college in the region that has a Grand Challenge Scholars Program. In other words, the National Academy of Engineering has specifically endorsed us to administer curriculum and to train our students to address what they've designated as the biggest engineering challenges of our time. In this program, we specifically train our students to do research. We train them to work on interdisciplinary teams, and we train them to work on teams that cross cultural boundaries. We also teach them about the business side of engineering so that they can understand the economics required to actually bring their products to realization, to life. And we do this so that our engineers can become engineers that change the world, so that they can become engineers that can address what are the biggest engineering challenges of our century.
In my time at this university, I've done some pretty incredible things. In my junior year, I did research with Dr. Robertson, studying structural biomechanics. I won awards at pitch events, presented at conferences, and co-authored some papers. I became an ambassador to share my love for engineering with high school students and get them excited about it too. This senior year, I worked on a capstone project where we had to transport lots of an unstable material into a container without exposing it to oxygen or moisture. It was a really complex design problem, and I got to work with professional engineers and machinists. And now, I'm watching everything I designed get built. Because of these opportunities and my classes, I feel confident in my future as a professional engineer.
One of the defining features of the University of Idaho is its computer-aided design program. Before college, I knew nothing about computer-aided design, and now I've been certified by Dassault Systems as a SOLIDWORKS expert. And it's not only me. In the last year, 8 U of I students have become certified SOLIDWORKS experts. The University of Idaho is filled with opportunities like this. For example, while in college, I got a part-time job with the Industrial Assessment Center. There, I worked to help companies reduce their energy consumption. This gave me relevant work experience before graduation, which is very important. For my capstone project, I worked with the Boeing company to create an insulation cutting and measuring module. This allowed me to learn directly from industry engineers and machinists. All of these experiences have made me feel confident that I will become a great engineer.
In the final year of your experience at the University of Idaho, you'll have an opportunity to be in our Capstone Design Program, which is recognized as one of the top 7 programs in the nation by the National Academy of Engineers. You'll be a part of a team of engineers from several different disciplines working on a real-world design challenge. Most of our projects are sponsored by one of our industry partners and are targeted at addressing some real-world challenge. During your experience here, you'll have an opportunity to build and test a functional prototype of your design while also gaining one-on-one mentorship from our skilled faculty who have experience working in the field. The capstone program culminates when you get to present your invention to hundreds of guests at our annual Engineering Design Expo.
We also have other exciting teaching and research activities ongoing in our department, such as designing and building robots, wind tunnel testing, improvement of energy systems, and testing of advanced materials. We hope you are healthy, happy, and helping others in this difficult time. In that spirit, we look forward to sharing more information about our program, helping you determine if it is a best fit for you, and guiding you through the steps needed to enroll.